As is a typical scene here in Point of Barrel, here comes a Grady White. This is a 192 Freedom model, coming in for a docking at the Ojibway Club, and another sunny, gorgeous day here in Point of Barrel. Very typical scene. Nice, open, Grady White bow rider. Great for the family, great for kids, safe, unsinkable, great value. Brought to you by the friendly folks at DeMaison's Boat Works in Point of Barrel, where relationships matter.